Many other public figures attended protests across the country in recent days, including former U.S. Senator Mitt Romney. Romney marched for justice in Washington, D.C. over the weekend, even tweeting a couple of photos of himself at the rally. While masked, the former senator of Utah told a Washington Post reporter that he showed up to, quote, end violence and brutality and to make people understand that Black Lives Matter. Romney has been one of the most vocal Republican voices demanding change and an end to violence and brutality, tweeting days after George Floyd's death, "The death of George Floyd must not be in vain. Our shock and outrage must grow into collective determination to extinguish forever such racist abuse." On Twitter, President Donald Trump sarcastically applauded Romney for standing with the Black Lives Matter protesters, writing, "Tremendous sincerity, what a guy. Hard to believe with this kind of political talent, his numbers would tank so badly in Utah." Romney also posted a throwback photo of his father joining protesters decades ago. He wrote that his dad once said, "Force alone will not eliminate riots. We must eliminate the problems from which they stem."